Getting your 4,000 watch hour on this YouTube street has just gotten easier. Yes, I just gotten easier with this particular tool I'm going to be showing you in this video. So if you're interested in getting your 4,000 watch hour, please make sure to stay to the end of this video, because this tool I'm going to share with you is something that I have used and it's getting me results, and I want you to try it out because it's equally going to get you results. Hey, please don't skip this. Like, don't go away if you have not gotten your monetization, like if you don't have your 4,000 watch hour. Okay, if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome to Coaching with Glory Chisom. Yeah, I'm actually documenting my YouTube journey towards monetization, and also sharing tips that could help your channel grow. Okay, tips that I'm implementing and that is working tips that make your channel grow, and AI tools that help your productivity, okay, on this YouTube streets. All right, so let's get into what this tool is and how you can use it. Particular tool that has made getting your 4,000 watch hour easier is Restream IO. This particular tool helps you go live even without you being there. Okay, you go live with recorded video. You can actually go live like this, go live, and your face will be showing. Okay, but maybe you want to do for longer hours and you also have other things to do. This Restream IO is going to help you go live for longer hours without you showing your face. All you just need is to upload a pre-recorded video, and for your audience not to swipe away, you have to make it an engaging video. All right, so here's how to get started on using Restream IO. To get started, go to your browser and type in restream.io. Okay, so I've frequently visited that site, so that's why I can see it pop up on my distance. So I'm going to click on it for it to take me to the site. All right, and it's going to take me to the site now, but you can use this link in the description of this video so that it takes you straight to your website. All right, yeah, now we are heading into the site. So yes, this is the interface. To add the video, next you're going to click on that plus new. Okay, you're going to click on plus new. After which is going to bring us to the next interface that has the Restream Studio and encoder and the video playlist. Yes, this is it. But for the purpose of today's video, we're going to be using Restream Studio because this enables us to add our recorded video, which is going to play longer for as long as we want. Okay, yes. Encoder, you can use encoder when for OBS and or video. You can use it to schedule your videos. If you have a long list of videos you want to play live, you can use video playlist and it's going to play for till it is over, without you being online. You just schedule it and it will go. So yes, we've clicked on Restream IO and it's taking us to the studio. You put in your name and enter studio. So it's loading. It's preparing to take us to the studio. If you notice, my mic icon and my camera is turned off because I'm not going to be seeing anything and I don't want my face to be seen. That's why it's off. So now we are in the studio. Next, you're going to click on the three icon next to go live for us to add our video. When you click on it, it's going to bring up a list of options on each where we're going to click on video. So it's loading up. Yep, so this is it. Now we're going to click on video and it's going to take us here. Click on upload video, and please, when you're uploading, ensure that the video you're about to upload is not more than 250 MB. If not, Restream IO will reject that video. So right now I want to go to my gallery where the video I want to use, for this tutorial is located. So I've chosen my video and it's uploading now. It's uploading. It doesn't take time, just a few more minutes and it's going to be, fully uploaded. It's currently processing. For the 2%. Okay. Yep. So now it's done. So we're gonna click on the video now for it to take us back into the studio where you will see it on the screen. Yes, it's so next we want to add our title and description. The video started playing, but we're not yet ready to go live. There are still some things to do. Click on the pencil icon close to plus channel to add your the title of the live, and the description and a thumbnail if you have one. But it's advisable to have a thumbnail if you're just starting out, so that you can attract people. Yeah, put in my title. I don't have a description. I'm just going to put a thumbnail because I have a thumbnail for it. And then when you do that, click on crop and then click on update all. So it's going to reflect, take you back to the studio, and it's going to reflect there. Yes, so next is to add your channel. If you're setting up all of this and you do not add your channel, it's not going to, you just be wasted effort. So now click on the plus channel to add your YouTube channel. You can see that it's updating. That's updated. Click on plus channel to add your channel to it. So Restream.io is not technical. Anybody can use it. All right. So your channel has been added, and then yes, so you're gonna look the video. Click the three icon on your screen right now. Click on the video, you see the three icon pop, then click on loop video. Yep. And then this enables it play over and over and over. Okay. Yes. So now we've added our title, we've connected our channel, our mic is turned off, and our camera is equally turned off. Okay, so we are almost ready. That's the other part is how it looks like on your desktop. Okay, but for this video we're going to be leaving it on the mobile phone because we're using our mobile phone in the portrait form. Okay, and I checked again to ensure that the video is looped. Yes, so please make sure to check this before you go live. So after this we'll be going live. Okay, to go live you just click on the go live icon in the red box, and that will take us, it's connecting, and now we are live. So this is just basically how to go live using Restream. This will help you build your watch hour like magic, because you're not even saying anything, you're just playing your video, and those interested are going to stay to watch the end, and it keeps playing, attracting new people, and your watch hour keeps building. All right, so if you have any question at this point, please let me know in the comment section of this video. All right, and I'll be very willing to answer all of your question. I have more other ways for you to go live. Yes, various ways to go live, which I'm going to be doing a video on them one after the other. So if you want to know more about how you can go live, to build your watch hour, different ways to go live, please also let me know in the comment section. All right. So right now, if you go to my channel is, I'm live, like this practical I just did, this tutorial I went live really. Okay, so that is it. If you want to end this live, just click on the end stream and the live stream is going to stop. Okay,
If at this
so
point you've
like
not
this is
given this
basically how you
video
can get
a
started,
like,
to
I
go
want you
live
to go
using
ahead and
Restream
do so. And if
Monetization.
you've not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe so you'll be notified when we upload another value packed video just like this one you've watched. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.